Yeah. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our topic is data handling. Okay. For this, let us go for the do now. Right. Okay, dear. For this, take 5 minutes and try to complete the do now questions. No need to write the questions, just write the answers. Okay. Right. Start writing. Start writing. Yeah. Completed. Which fruit is the most preferred? Mangoes. Right, correct. How many students prefer bananas and oranges combined? Bananas are 6 and oranges are 8. Together 14. And which fruit is the least preferred is banana. Right. Yeah, good. That's correct. That's correct. Correct. Okay. Coming. Yeah, correct. Yes, Abhishek. What it is? Hmm? Write it properly. Done. Done. Yeah, dear. Done. Okay. No worries. Yes. Come. Please lower your hands. Once. Give them. Yeah. Mango is the first answer. Then second one is what? How many students prefer bananas and oranges? You check there how many bananas are there and how many oranges are there, and add them. Okay. Right. Right here. So everyone had done with the do now, right? And all the answers were correct. Good. Right, dear. See here in do now, I asked you people to read the graph, right? It was, it is a bar graph. It is a bar graph. Okay. What about this one? Which type of graph it is? It is a pictograph. Pictograph. Okay. Alright. So that means we have discussed about two different type of graphs, right? Where the data has been organized. Okay, right? The data has been represented, right? So today we are going to discuss about one more type of representation of data, which is called as, either you people can call it as pie graph or pie chart. Okay, where we will be constructing the graph over a circle in the form of sectors. In the form of what? Sectors. Okay, right? These are called as sector. These are called as what? Sectors. Like here, total 4 different divisions are there. Okay, right? When we people were dealing with the bar graph, here how many different divisions were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same manner, when I construct one pie graph, here, see there, in this how many different divisions are there? How many different divisions are there here? 3 are there, right? And each division will have one specific angle will be there, right? Based upon that angle, we will construct a pie chart. Is that fine? So pie chart is it is a type of graph, right? Where data will be represented. Is that fine? Okay. See there, it is the pie chart. It is a pie chart, and these are the sectors, and these are the 4 different categories, right? Where we people are comparing. We are comparing the different categories. Okay. No. Okay. So in the beginning, I asked you people to read one bar graph, and after that you people have started answering, right? In the same manner, let us read this pie graph and we answer for those questions. What is the total number of people surveyed? That means you people have to add all these numbers. Okay. Total, how many different categories are there here, dear? One is ordinary bread. They surveyed over a materials of bakery. Okay, right? So in which ordinary bread is there, cake and pastries are there, biscuits and fruit breads are there, and the other materials. Okay, right? So when they have surveyed, right, they represented that data in the form of a pie graph. Okay, right? And let us start reading it. What is the total number of people surveyed? That means what do we people have to do? We have to add all the divisions. Okay, right? This is what 100, then 60 plus 40, 100 plus 100, 200 plus 20, 220 plus 260, 220 plus 260. How much? 480. 480. So what is the first answer here? Total how many members were surveyed? 480. Out of that, 260 liked what, dear? Ordinary bread. And 100 people liked cake and pastries. Like that. Okay, right? Then the next one. Which item is liked the most? Which item is liked the most? Mubashir. Which item is liked the most? Ordinary bread. The division itself says that it covered lot of space in this pie graph. So this was liked by most of the people. Okay. So this is what, dear? Ordinary bread. Alright. Yeah, please say. Then the third one, how many more like ordinary bread than the biscuits? Okay. Vaishnavi, how many more like ordinary bread than biscuits? How many people like ordinary bread? 260 people. Ordinary bread is 260. Then what is the next category? Biscuits. How many people like biscuits? 60 people. Alright. So he is asking the difference between them. 260 minus 60 will be what? 200. So what is our third answer, dear? 200. Alright. Any questions in this? We started reading a pie graph. Okay, right? And we have answered it. Is that fine? Then fraction who like cake and pastries. How many of the people like cake and pastries? 100 people. 100 people like cake and pastries out of, yeah, dear, out of 480 people. Okay, right? Please it. Ashutosh, can you simplify it? Okay, great. Then 2 5s are 220. So what is the fraction, dear? 5 by 24. That means if you survey 24 people, out of which 5 people like cake and pastries. Right? So this is the fraction for what? The people who like cake and pastries. Alright? Any questions? Alright then. Yeah, the same one. Fourth answer. Fourth answer is 5 by 24. Alright. Now let us solve this together. One more pie chart. It is about favorite types of pets. Alright. And the data has been given in terms of percentages. See dear, dogs are taking 40 percentage, then cats are taking 30 percentage, birds, okay, birds are taking 10 percentage. Okay, right. Now see dear, yeah, dear, stand. Most popular pet and its percentage. Dogs are the most popular pet, and what is the percentage of it? 40 percentage. Okay, right, good, place it. Humera, if 200 surveyed, how many like cats? What is the percentage of people like cats? How many, dear? 30. 30% of the people likes what? Cats. Right. Now he is saying that if 200 people are surveyed, he is asking us to find how many people like cats. Right. Whatever the information is given, it is in terms of percentage. And we people have to convert that percentage to number. Okay, right? So just now you people have told that 30 percentage of people like what? Cat. Right? Out of what, dear? How many people were surveyed here? 200 people. 200 people. Okay, right? Abhilash, can you convert 30 percentage to fraction? 30? 30 by 100. Right, 30 percentage can be written as what, dear? 30 by 100 in fraction form. Please into what? 200. Okay. Share. Can you simplify it? Right. Zeros cancel. Then 3 2s are 6. 0. Right. So how many people like cats? 60 people out of 200 like cat. Okay, right? Then the next one. More prefer dogs than birds. First, you people should know how many people like dogs out of 300. Right? This time he surveyed 300 people. Okay, right? And he want to know, right, how many people are there in dogs means how many people like dogs and how many people like birds, and he started comparing, right? That means which pet animal is liked by more number of people. Okay, so dogs, what is the percentage of dogs? 40 percentage. 40 percentage of what, dear? 40 percentage of what? How many people have been surveyed here? 300 people. Okay, all right then. Yeah, Nitya, can you tell me the next step, Nitya? Good. 40 by 100 into 300. Okay, right. Now, can you simplify it? Okay. 100 ones are 100 threes are. Yeah, then, yeah. Advait, can you complete this? Nitya, please sit. 4 threes are 12, 0. So, how many people like dogs? 120 people out of 300 people, right? Now, let us find out how many people like birds. Okay. Yeah, Kushi. Kushi, can you tell me? What is the percentage of birds in that given pie chart? 10 percentage. And it has been surveyed for how many people? 300. Good. Now 10 percentage in fraction form. 10 by 100 into 300. Akshay, can you simplify it? Right, zeros cancel. Okay, right. 30. 3 times are 30. How many people like birds? And what is the difference between them? 90. So what is the answer? Okay, right. When those many people have surveyed, 300 people were surveyed. Dogs, the people like, means 120 people like dogs, 30 people like birds, and the difference is what, dear? 90. Okay, right. Now the fourth one, fraction preferring fishes. Yeah, Ahil.
15 by 100.
How many, dear?
15 by 100.
15 by
100.
100. Okay, right? Yeah, please. Why I wrote 100? Total. The percentage is always calculated for what? If you add all these, how much it will be? 100. Right. Can you simplify it? Kartika, can you simplify it, dear? What is that common factor which divides 15 and 100? Yeah. Vaishnavi. 5 is that number. Okay, Kartika. Alright. 5 3 is the and 5 20 is the. So what is the answer, dear? 3 out of 20. Okay, right? So please. That means out of every 20 people, how many people like fish? 3 people like fish. Is that fine? Okay, right? Once you check it. Any questions? Alright. Then let me assign you one question where you people have to solve that. Okay? Alright, dear. If any questions can ask. Yeah, yes, you people have to solve this. Alright? Read the pie graph and then answer it. Right? Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Right once again. Yes, right. Yes, good. Correct. Yes, correct. Good. It is the pie chart which shows the expenditure of a person on different items. No need to write the question, only write the answers. And you people have to find what are his total monthly expenditures, how much more he spend on rent when compared with the clothes, and how much he spend money over education. Okay, done. Good. Yeah, Shahir. Right, this is 1200. I think. Rent is how much, dear? 2700. And the clothing is how much? Clothing is 1200. 1500. So you have to subtract 2700 minus 1500. So what is the answer? 1200. Okay. All right. Good. Good. All right. That is correct. Yeah, Vishan. Total monthly expenditure means you have to add all those numbers. Add 2400 plus 2700, 2400, 1800, and 1500. Correct? You add them. Yeah, no. Yes. 10,800 you have to get. Once again, you check your sum. Check the sum. Yes, 20%. See, if the income is 12,000, forget about his income was to 10,800. If the income is 12,000, how much is spent over food? 2,400. 2,400 out of what is this total income? 12,000. When you are converting it as a percentage, you multiply it with what? 100. Now you simplify it and get the answer. 20 percentage. Okay. Why you got 6 here? That is 0. Okay. All right. All right. Do it. Correct. Yeah. Nice. All right. Good. Yeah. Good, Kartika. Yes. Good. Correct. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Correct. Good. All right. This is 0. 1200. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Ashika. Fine. Fraction of education. How much was spent over education? No, dear. Education. Red color. Red color. Ah. 1800. 1800 rupees over how much? What is this total? 10,000
10,800.
800. Right, cancel this. Right, two nines are 254s, not 59s. Right, 9 by 50. Okay. Not 59, dear. 54. See, what is saying? Income is 12,000, not 10,800. The income in the fourth case is what? 12,000. Where is your notes? Hmm? That is wrong. Yeah,
Family and we will not invite at all.
yeah, okay. So good that you people have done with the you do, right? The next will be, yeah, dear. See here, I will give you 5 minutes to read it. Okay, right? After that, once I say 3, 2, 1, you people should start answering. Okay, right? That too verbally. You have to show your fingers as A for 1, B as 2, C as 3, and D as 4. Okay, right? So please go through it. Once you read out that the pie graph and the questions. Sir, again, how many minutes left? How many minutes left? Yeah, read that pie graph. Read that pie graph. How much more popular is math than art? Which two subjects together make greater than 50 percentage? Fraction of students who choose science. Those were the three questions. Right, the entire information has been given here. Okay, and here this is math, it is math, and this is art. Okay, next 10 minutes. You can do in that. Okay, ready? Right. So once I say 3, 2, 1, right, you people should start answering, right? Then 3, 2, 1. For the first question, how much more popular is math than art? No change of answer. Okay. So 99% of the children has shown it as 2. That means B. B is the answer. Good, good. Very good, right. So as math is taking 30 percentage and art is taking 10 percentage, the difference between them is how much? So, very good. That's correct, right. Now for the second one, once again, right, shall we start answering? Okay, then start answering. These two subjects together make greater than 50 percentage. Almost all. Right, the answer is 1. Correct, very good, good. So math and science are together. They are making how much, dear? 55 percentage. They both together are covering how much? 55 percentage. Then the third one, fraction of students who choose science. Right, start answering. Fraction of students who choose science. 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. Okay, right. For this question, I am getting different answers. 1, 4 and 2. Okay, fine.
3, 3, 3.
Fraction of students who choose
Sir,
science.
handle in 3.
What is the percentage of people who have selected science there? 25 percentage. Percentage is meant for 100. So how much dear? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is what? A. So the people who has given 1 as answer is correct. Okay. Right, fine. That's correct. Okay, good. So this is meant for homework. Alright, once you go through the textbook once, read out the questions. Take 2 minutes to read the questions. Right? If any questions, can ask me. Take out the textbook. Okay. Take out the textbook. Read out question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.1, where you people have to read the pie graph and you people have to answer. Okay. Please read the pie graph.
All only 100.
If any questions in the first and second question, can ask. Hmm? Okay, fine. Yeah, yes. The same thing what we did on the board. Yeah, dear. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? How many young people were surveyed? What we people were, yeah. Okay, that's correct. Yes. Is that okay then? Right? You people are going to consider these two questions as homework. Okay. Then the next one. And note down in the diary. Note down in the diary. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Right, dear. Please complete this. Read the pie chart and answer these questions. 5 minutes.
Sir, we should
I
write.
will give you people 5 minutes to complete these 4 questions.
Write.
Yes. Write only the answers, dear. No need to write the question. Write only the answer.
Bro, what was wrong? What?
Virat. It is the pie chart where students spend their free time and the numbers have been given in terms of percentage. This means it is 25 percentage, it is 5 percentage, 15 percentage and 20 percentage. Alright. Complete.
How you can tell others? You also yes.
Yes, yes.
25 plus 20 is equal to 45.
Yes. Total percentage preferring reading or video games.
One is highest, right?
Yes. Total person preferring reading or video games. What is for reading, dear? 20 percentage. Video games 15. So what is the difference between them? 5% of the people are preferring reading, right? So more number of people are going for what? Reading. Which activity is the least common? Others. Yes. Good. Yes. It's coming, coming.
Sir, fourth one we should answer on our own.
No, can take from that.
Reading.
In the third question, you people have to find the difference between reading and video
Fourth,
games.
fourth.
Now, what percentage do you spend on reading and video games? Add both. Add both. Yeah, coming.
Reading and 20 video games.
Third one, 5 percentage, not 20. 5 percentage more people like reading. Right, that is 20 percentage. It is 15 percentage.
No.
35 third one. 05.
So, carbonate one.
Third one, total percentage reading or video game. How many people like to read the books? Reading is 20 percentage. Video games is what dear? 15. So which is liked by more people? Reading. By how much? By 5 percentage. Okay. Yeah. 35 percentage that is. Noor. That is 35 percentage. This is 5 percentage. What is the difference between them? People, 20% of the people like reading and 15% of the people like video games. So how many more people like reading? 5% of the people like. Okay. Subtraction, not division. Subtraction. Right? Yes. Right, move forward. Coming. Yeah. Yes, coming. Just 1 minute. Done. Who was it? Okay, dear. So in this class we learnt about reading of graphs, right? In the beginning we read the graph of bar graph, okay, then pictograph, then later we have started reading the pie graph, okay, right, where we people were converting percentages to numbers, numbers to percentages, okay, right. So thank you dear. So this was about today's class, right, and tomorrow in the next class we will learn about how to construct a pie chart, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.